Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about how to sorted list in Python in descending order. So if you want to sort the list in descending order, you have to do with this function. So basically the function will be same as we do with the ascending order, but here after the variable we are going to add a new property which is reverse, and here we are going to giving the value of true. Okay, now click on run. This is the actual list, and here we convert the list in descending order where the highest value will be the first, then smaller, then smaller, smaller and smaller. So in this way you can sorted list in Python in descending order. Hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question related to Python, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.